Hello guys, in this video we'll be talking about important one-liners in a single video of 20th September 2020. Anil Dasmana is appointed as new chief of NTRO. Let me tell you, NTRO is National Technical Research Organization and Anil Dasmana was a former Research and Analysis Wing RAAW chief. Then Amir Khan is appointed as the president of the WBC Middle East Boxing Council. And you can also make a note that Taj Khan is appointed as vice president of the WBC Middle East Boxing Council. Next, Anand Kripalu is appointed as the new chairman of Royal Challengers Bangalore. Chef Vikas Khanna is honored with Asia Game Changer Award by US-based Asia Society. Holidify released Best City to Live and Work in India list, in which Hyderabad ranked Best City to Live and Work in India, and Mumbai ranked as the second best city to live in India. INS Virat, the longest serving warship, will begin its last journey on 18th September. And from Mumbai to Alang in Bhavnagar, Gujarat, it will be dismantled. Let me tell you, INS Virat decommissioned after 30 years of service in 2017. And this is the only warship to have served both the UK and Indian Navy. Brand Z released India's Most Valuable Brand Rankings 2020, in which HDFC Bank retains top spot in India's Most Valuable Brand Rankings. And in this series, LIC ranked second in India's Most Valuable Brand Rankings and TCS ranked third. MS Dhoni becomes first captain to win 100 matches for a franchisee. Same way, he also retains the first position as the wicketkeeper to dismiss 250 in T20 cricket. Lasith Malinga is the highest wicket taker in the history of IPL and he has taken total of 170 wickets. Amit Mishra secured second position by taking 157 wickets and Piyush Chawla third position by taking 151 position. That's all for today's current affairs. Thank you.